Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. When water sits at the bottom of a Samsung dishwasher and refuses to drain, it can stop the entire machine from working properly. You open the door and see standing water, and no matter what cycle you try, it doesn't clear out. That's where the force drain function comes in. It's a built-in way to manually trigger the drainage system without running a full wash cycle. Many people aren't aware this option exists, or they press random buttons without activating it correctly. Once you use the proper method, the dishwasher will immediately start removing water from the tub. This is especially useful before troubleshooting or cleaning the system. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to force drain your Samsung dishwasher step by step. Try these. Step 1. Turn on the dishwasher and keep the door closed securely. Step 2. Press and hold the start or cancel button for a few seconds. Step 3. Wait as the drain pump activates automatically. Step 4. Listen for water being pumped out through the drain hose. Step 5. Allow the process to complete without interrupting. Step 6. Open the door and confirm the bottom is fully drained.